Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online foundation chemistry class. Today I am going to start the alkali metals. Alkali metals. What is the chapter name? Alkali metals. Alkali metals. Okay, did you hear this word, this name alkali metals? Which group we can call the alkali metals? Generally, we can call a first A group elements. Group 1 elements in the periodic table we can call the alkali metals. Okay, the elements that is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the constitute group 1 of the periodic table. All these elements are metallic in nature and are called alkali metals. Okay. Here alkali metals general characteristics. What is the general characteristics of the alkali metals? General characteristics. General characteristics of alkali metals. General characteristics of alkali metals. What are the general characteristics these there? First of all, group A, group 1 elements. First group elements, what are there? One is lithium, second one is sodium, lithium symbol Li, sodium symbol Na, lithium, sodium and potassium, and potassium symbol is K. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Next element is rubidium. Rubidium symbol is Rb. Next cesium. Next element is cesium. Symbol is Cs. Cesium symbol is Cs. These are the first A group elements. What are the first A group elements? The elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. And another radioactive element is there, that is of francium. Francium symbol is Fr. Francium symbol is Fr. These are, we can consider group 1 of the periodic table. All these elements are metallic in nature and are called alkali metals. Okay. All these elements are metallic in nature. Metallic in nature and are called alkali metals. And are called alkali metals. Okay. These are the first A group elements. Okay. Group 1 elements in the periodic table. Group 1 elements in the periodic table. That is the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. All these elements are metallic in nature and are called alkali metals. Here, one new word is there, alkali metals. What is the alkali? How can you define the alkali? This word new is there. What is the alkali? Alkali means alkali or alkali. Alkali means Alkalis, all alkalis are bases. All alkalis are bases. Which bases are dissolved in water? Which bases are soluble in water? That bases are called alkalis. Alkalis means which bases are dissolved in water or soluble in water, that bases are called alkalis. All bases are not alkalis, but all alkalis metals are bases. Which bases are soluble in water, that bases are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but not all bases are alkalis. Did you understand this point? It is a very, very important point. Once again I am repeating about the alkali. Which bases are soluble in water, that bases are called alkalis. All bases are not alkalis. Why? Because not alkalis all bases? Because of some of the bases are soluble in water, that bases only we can call the alkalis. Other bases are not called the alkalis. This is important. Okay. What is the alkali? Which bases are soluble, which bases are soluble in water, which bases are soluble in water, that bases are called alkalis. That bases are called alkali. Okay. Which bases are soluble in water, that bases are called alkalis. It is because their hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. Here alkali metals, they are having these elements. Which elements? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These elements are having the alkali properties. Why it is having the basic alkali properties? Alkali metals, we are calling that elements alkali metals. It is because their hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. These hydroxides, for suppose lithium is there, lithium hydroxide, sodium is there, sodium hydroxide, potassium is there, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide, cesium hydroxide, francium hydroxide. These hydroxides are very strong bases or alkalis. Alkalis means these hydroxides are soluble in water. That's why we can call the alkalis. Why we are calling these alkali metals? Because of their hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. Their hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. These hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. Why we are calling this is the alkali metals means these hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. The last element of this group, francium, is a radioactive and has a very short lifespan. Therefore, very little is known about it. The alkali metals have one electron in the s orbital of their valency shell. Okay, here last element, which one is there? Last element is the francium is there. Okay, the last element in this group is this is the first A group elements. Okay, these are the first A group elements. In the periodic table, first group elements is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These elements are we can consider as a alkali metals. But in this group, hydrogen also there. But hydrogen we did not consider, that is the alkali metals. But it is a resembles as a properties between with the alkali metals. That's why they are kept into the first A group. But it is hydrogen is not considered as a alkali metal. When we are talking about the alkali metals, we can discuss without hydrogen in the first group. Okay. Here, last element in this group is francium. Here, francium is a radioactive element. Francium is a what is the symbol of francium? Fr. Fr. Francium is radioactive element in this group. Radioactive element. Francium is a radioactive element and has a very short lifespan and has very short lifespan. Therefore, very little is known about it. We don't know much more about the francium. Therefore, very little is known about it. The alkali metals have one electron in the s orbital of their valency shell. Okay, I will discuss the electronic configurations also, then you can get the clear idea. Okay, in s orbital one electron is there or two electrons is there. Once we have to check by the electronic configuration. Okay, in this group first A group elements are called, in the periodic table first A group elements are called alkali metals. In the alkali metals, which elements is there? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, all these elements are metallic in nature and we can call the alkali metals. Why we are calling the alkali metals means their hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. The last element in this group is the francium. Francium is a radioactive element. It is a very short lifespan. So we don't know, we know only very little is known about it.